Hello, lovely people. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we want to teach you how to use ginger for flat tummy. So what you see on the screen is what you call the ginger. The ginger is very, very common. If you go to the market, those people who sell vegetables and spices, they usually sell the ginger. So you can easily get it from them. In Nigeria, the Yoruba people call it atale. In Ghana, the Akans call it akakedro. So you can easily get it from the market to use it for the remedy I'm going to talk about in this video. So in the previous videos, we talk about how you can use the ginger for things like men's health and stuff. So please kindly watch those videos too. But in this video, we are going to talk about how you can use it for flat tummy. So please, if you need to use the ginger for flat tummy, all that you are supposed to do is that you get about 2 pieces of ginger, you grind it very well, or you grate it. After grinding or grating, the next thing you are supposed to do is that you now get a lemon and then you cut the lemon into two. You now squeeze some of the juice of the lemon into a cup, and then after squeezing into the cup, you now add the grated ginger or the grinded ginger. You add that paste to it. You now pour hot water to it. You cover it for it to steep or sit for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, what you are going to do is that you now sieve the water. So after sieving the water, you now add 2 tablespoons of pure honey to it, and then you drink first thing in the morning before you eat. So you are going to do this for about 1 month, and then you see that you get the flat tummy that you desire. So this is a very simple but effective remedy for those people who always ask me for flat tummy remedies. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you also need any particular remedy, you can comment in the comment section and I'll come and reply you. Please kindly like the video, subscribe to the channel, and then share to benefit others. Thank you very much. Bye. Please kindly remember to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel, and then the notification button. Thank you very much.